Hey, you found Learning to Surf, where I analyze my surfing to help you with yours. I'm Nathaniel Fife. Today we got some big waves. Gonna have some fun.
So the waves are really big and awesome. You can tell from the intro I was really excited about this session. But I'll admit it, this was actually pretty difficult for me. I couldn't quite figure out where to line up. I seemed to be either too far in or too far out, and I just kept getting crushed and pounded by the waves. I really choked, and everything that I had been working on went out the window. But overall, I still see it as a good experience. I was able to get some bigger waves under my belt, and definitely learned some things. So I'll do better next time. That's it for today. So have fun and keep it real.